Do you know you can screen record your iPhone with the use of audio? Before I continue, please don't forget to subscribe, hit on the bell, and press on the notification. Making screen recording on your iPhone with the use of audio is very simple, but a lot of people don't really know how to use it or don't know how to operate it. So I am here to guide you on how to use audio whilst screen recording your iPhone. So first, you pull out your control center and you press and hold on the screen recording. So you can see the microphone is turned off, so you just need to turn it on and you start to record. Yes, so this is how it is done. And if you can't find your screen recording on the control settings, you just go to settings and you go to control center and you just scroll and you could see screen recording. So you just press on the add button and it adds. Yes, so you just follow the same steps. You press and hold and you press on the microphone and you start to record. So that is that. Remember to subscribe to our channel, hit on the bell and press on the notification. So remember to subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell and press on the notification. Thank you.